Well, we've come to the end of our short course and I hope you found it useful. What I wanted to do now was just summarize some of the key points to help you focus on the next stages. C# scripting is the way forward, and at some stage, goodness knows when, VBScript will simply just not work. That will be driven by Microsoft, and typically this could make many, many years. But that doesn't mean to say that you can sit back and say, I'll do it sometime in the future. You need to be getting ready now. And to help that, of course, obviously you can run the C# and VBScript customizations side by side so that you can start small and simple and learn, and then slowly change your customizations on your live system. Remember that when using C# or VBScript, the app designer and the custom pane controls all work in the same way and are unchanged, and as are the business objects, scripting variables, and Syspro callouts. So all the techniques that you know and you've learned about using VBScript still apply in C#. As you'll find, the same with the business logic that you rely on to design your VBScript customizations is also unchanged. So all that's happening really is that the language that you're using is changing. So all you've got to do is learn the different ways of achieving what you've done in VBScript. But if you were to summarize it, you'd probably say that 75% of what you know now to do customizations is unchanged. It's just the syntax of the language. And finally, you should start to plan the migration of VBScript to C# as soon as possible, identifying all the customizations you've got, which may take a while, document them, identify whether you still need them, and so on. And that's it really. I just wanted to say thanks for listening. If you need any help, then you should log an event in the forum or raise a ticket with your support desk. And of course, any feedback on the course is most welcome. Just email me with your thoughts. Thanks very much for listening. Bye.